Picture Hanging Service Houston. Custom mounts, plex bonnets, pedestals, and more are often essential elements for showcasing many types of artwork and collectibles. TyArt offers an in-house fabrication studio, and the best picture hanging service in Houston. Do you need your framed fine art, canvas, or mirror hung and installed professionally, so it looks perfect? Our extremely precise and detail-oriented fine art picture and mirror hanging installers have a combined experience of over 200 years of installation, working in all types of residential and corporate spaces. Importance of level artwork. Proper and level hanging of framed artwork and mirrors should be an essential part of any corporate office, art gallery, residential apartment or home. Artwork should complement a living or workspace rather than distracting from it by being improperly installed. Professional installation. The fully insured professional artwork installers have the necessary experience and ability to safely install almost any type, size and shape of fine art or mirrors on pretty much any wall surface, drywall, plaster, cement, brick, steel, wallpaper and fabric covered. Secure installation. Our installation professionals have experience installing security hardware, which will protect your artwork from being stolen by securely locking the artwork directly to the wall. We mostly specialize in fine art picture hanging and mirror installation, within Houston neighborhoods and surrounding cities.